Vista del Sol Park Loop. This is 1.7 miles. Elevation gain is a little under 200 feet and it is a loop. There is no preference here, counterclockwise or clockwise. We did it clockwise. Really just depends on what you want to do first. If you want to hit the ocean first, go counter. If you want to kind of see the hills, a little bit of houses, and then hit the ocean at the very end, go clockwise. How to get here, it is very simple. It is on Google Maps. There's actually a lot of parking just alongside of the road, so don't get worried if you can't find anything like right where the bathrooms are. A ton of trash cans everywhere. Pack it in, pack it out. Take care of this. This is a really well-maintained trail, so just make sure that you do your part and take any trash out with you. So that covers parking, park bathrooms. It is kid and dog friendly. Leash your furry animals. Benches, trash cans, I mentioned. Well maintained, and for a big part of the here that's close to the ocean, you can hear the ocean. And you can also make this trail longer, and I'll put this on the map here. If you decide to go a little bit closer to the actual street, that is an option for you. The only downsides are the piece with the sidewalk, you know, just very much an urban hike, and then lots of beautiful housing that I'll probably never own. So a little bit depressing as I walk through those. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the trail guide. Stay tuned for next week.